Hi everyone. So today we'll talk about those home buyers who have been cheated by the builders. So if you are a victim of delayed possession or any sort of cheating and fraud by the builder, because nowadays we have been witnessing a lot of such cases where home buyers are being cheated upon and the fraud has been committed upon the home buyers. So in this case, if you are the victim or if something like this happens to you, then you have to make sure that you have to approach the RERA tribunal. Simultaneously, you can do a criminal complaint under Section 420 of IPC, which may kind of pressurize the builder for settlement, but don't do the mistake of not moving the RERA court, because this is the main channel. This is your main channel, the RERA tribunal. So now this is how you have to process. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to send a legal notice through a lawyer to the builder and the promoter. This is a first thing that you have to do, and you have to give them time of 15 days to either settle the matter or to reply upon. So after the expiry of 15 days, you can process for RERA complaint. The RERA complaint can be done either online or offline. It can be done either ways. So there is a website in the name of www.uprera.in where this complaint has to be filed. But ultimately, we have to give all the documents and the copy of complaint in the physical form also on the first date of hearing. But yes, the complaint can be filed online. So after receiving the complaint, the department will do the scrutiny of information provided by us. So it will take approximately 15 days to 1 month for them to do the scrutiny. And after that, once the scrutiny is done, then they'll give us a first date of hearing. So after the first date of hearing, when all the documents and the copy of complaint and everything that we have in our hand is submitted in the tribunal will issue the summons to the builders and the promoters. So the builders and promoters will now have to give a reply on our complaint. They have to give a reply in the tribunal on the complaint that we have filed in the court. So now in this case, there are three reliefs probably that a home buyer can claim. The first relief that the home buyer can claim is the return of the entire amount that has been invested by him. Apart from that, he can claim the compensation for the loss and damage, or he can claim the possession. So now either you can claim for the refund of the entire amount of the investment, or you can claim the possession. And apart from that, you can claim the compensation also for the damages and loss that obviously the buyer has suffered. So this is the thing. And apart from that, the promoter can also be punished, and even the directors can also be punished, and they can be punished either financially by the financial penalties, or the tribunal has the power to imprison them also. So this is one of the things why RERA is a very, very strong channel through which the builder can be pressurized. So apart from that, there are certain benefits also to file the RERA complaint, because the RERA complaint is not as lengthy as any other civil case may be. So it is not a lengthy judicial process in comparison with the consumer case or in comparison with the recovery case. It is quite speedy. Tribunal is quite speedy. And apart from that, it is very transparent because everything is uploaded online on the website. Your case status, your orders, your last date of hearing, next date of hearing, everything is uploaded online. So you can yourself go and check that what exactly is the status of your case. So nobody can fool you around. Apart from that, there are certain cases where the tribunal has ordered for the compensation and heavy compensation for the for the buyers and against the builders. So this is one of the things. This is one of the benefit that you can claim the compensation also, and there are precedents where the compensation has been awarded by the tribunal. So apart from this, there is one major benefit of RERA court. RERA court has the power to issue recovery certificate. So once this recovery certificate is issued by the tribunal, buyer can directly go to civil court and get the order executed. So buyer are saved from the long process of the civil court. So ultimately, RERA is a very strong move against the builder. Therefore, it is always advisable to go for the RERA case in case any builder breaches the contract, breaches the agreement, commits cheating, or is delaying the possession. Always go for the RERA court. So I hope this information was useful. You can leave your queries in the comment box. I will try to I'll try to answer all the queries. Thank you so much.